If you want to open SIM card slot, if you want to eject SIM tray on Google Pixel 9a, you need to take a look at the bottom of the phone, because over here we have our SIM tray, and here we have this little hole on the left side of the SIM tray. Now we need to prepare the eject tool. I have mine over here, and we need to insert the eject tool, this pin, into that hole. So just insert it into that hole and then push it in with just a little bit of force until the SIM tray comes out just a little bit, just slightly. And after that, use your fingernails or finger in order to completely remove the SIM tray. If it doesn't want to come out, then try to push it in just a little bit more. And now you should be able to take it out. There we go. Now, once we take out the SIM tray, this is how the SIM tray looks like. So we have only one SIM slot in this case, and we need to simply insert the SIM card into its place, matching the slot shape. So in this case, we need to do something like this. There we go. And now we can insert the SIM tray back into the phone. Use your fingers in order to just push it in. And there we go. Make sure that the SIM tray is fully in, that it doesn't stick out or anything, in order to avoid causing damage by accident. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.